Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power both controllers and sign them into two distinct console profiles. Once done, launch Fortnite on the primary account and wait in the lobby. Make sure the second controller is turned on and paired. Press the prompt button X on PlayStation, on Xbox, on the second controller to add the second player. This is the only direct way to trigger split screen at the lobby, so don't enter a match before the second controller is acknowledged by the game. Once both controllers show as players, choose duos or squads. Solo and certain limited modes do not support split screen. Then make small settings tweaks. Lower shadows and post-process if you want smoother frame rates, and set HUD scale so both views fit comfortably. Also confirm both players appear in the party tray. If one shows offline, sign out and in again. These middle steps ensure the game accepts two inputs and renders two viewports, which is essential for a usable split-screen experience. Ready up with both controllers and start the match. You'll see two vertically split screens once loading completes. If it fails, first off, press the prompt again. Sometimes the second controller drops. If that doesn't work, repair or restart the controller, sign the second profile out and back in, then relaunch Fortnite. Make sure console firmware and Fortnite are up to date and keep controllers charged. Doing these final steps fixes most connection problems and gets you into split screen fast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.